Robotics IQX. Artificial intelligence has transformed industries from manufacturing to entertainment. And now it's set to revolutionize healthcare. From diagnostic tools to personalized medicine, AI promises a new era in medical care. But alongside these breakthroughs come challenges and ethical concerns. In today's video, we'll explore how AI is changing healthcare, the issues it raises, and what the future holds. Stick around as we dive into the innovations that could reshape the way we think about medicine. AI is already making waves in healthcare. Take Google's DeepMind for instance, which developed an AI capable of diagnosing eye diseases faster and more accurately than doctors. And IBM Watson is being used to analyze vast amounts of oncology data, helping doctors choose the best treatment plans for cancer patients. AI is also enabling new levels of precision in surgery. Robots like the Da Vinci surgical system allow surgeons to perform minimally invasive procedures with unprecedented accuracy. AI doesn't just stop at diagnosis and surgery, it's helping design new drugs. Companies like Insilico Medicine are using AI to speed up drug discovery, finding potential cures in a fraction of the time it used to take. But as with any technology, AI in healthcare isn't without its challenges. One major concern is the cost. Implementing AI systems can be expensive, making it difficult for hospitals, especially in low-income regions, to adopt these technologies. Another pressing issue is privacy. AI relies on vast amounts of data, including sensitive patient information. Ensuring that this data is secure and used ethically is a challenge we can't afford to ignore. Then, there's the issue of accuracy. While AI has the potential to revolutionize diagnosis, it's not infallible. Mistakes in AI-generated diagnoses could have life-threatening consequences. Ensuring proper human oversight is critical to preventing errors and maintaining patient trust. AI also raises profound ethical questions. Can we trust machines to make life or death decisions? For example, in situations where AI systems recommend treatment plans, should they have the final say, or should doctors? There's also the issue of bias in AI. If the data used to train AI is biased, it can lead to discriminatory outcomes, particularly for underrepresented groups. Furthermore, patient privacy is a huge concern. With AI accessing patient data at an unprecedented scale, how can we ensure this information is used responsibly? Transparency, accountability, and strict regulatory oversight will be key to addressing these ethical challenges. Looking ahead, the future of AI in healthcare is promising. Hospitals of the future may be run in collaboration with AI systems, offering faster, more accurate diagnoses and personalized treatment plans. But this future comes with responsibilities. We must address the financial, ethical, and practical challenges now if we want AI to live up to its potential in medicine. AI could play a key role in areas like mental health, helping diagnose conditions like depression and anxiety. And as the technology advances, it may become a critical tool in rural and underserved areas, offering expert medical care where it's needed most. AI in healthcare presents a future filled with possibilities, from groundbreaking technologies that can save lives to the ethical challenges we must confront. As AI continues to evolve, it will be up to us to ensure that it's used responsibly and equitably. What do you think about AI's role in healthcare? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on technology shaping the future.